What's going on? My name is Michael Petty from thepettiescorner.com, TPC for short. And this morning I went to cut a video, but had some technical difficulties with one of the sites that I was going to show. So I was like, okay, let me stop there. And it was raining this morning.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain.
And the sun's starting to come out. I was going to cut the grass today, but the grass is currently wet. So by the time it dries, it's gonna be kind of dark, so I'll just do it Wednesday. That's the plan I have for it now. But the site I was gonna show is back up, but I was currently just working on my email campaign. So I said, you know what, let me do a video about that to show the simplicity, because they want to use AI. Like, I use ChatGPT, okay, I do, but there's a specific way to use ChatGPT to help you out. I also use ChatGPT in my post. And I see a lot of people use ChatGPT in Facebook comments. I personally don't like it, because unless you go through and tell ChatGPT how to talk to make it sound like you, I don't think it's worth it, because a person can feel a sense of this. It's not genuine. It's not real, right? You just doing something just to build some engagement so people can come back on your engagement, which that's the purpose. I get it, but at least make it seem genuine. Okay, so when you're using ChatGPT, right, to create posts, when you use ChatGPT, whatever it is, talk to it. Let it know what you want it to say. Okay, you can tell it to remember specific things about you. You can tell it to don't say this, say things like this, don't say it this way. So I went through and I carefully craft email list that's going to go on for about 3 months. Okay, and I'm steady adding to it, because I want to make sure that if anybody wants information from me, they're getting the right information. Now, when I'm using ChatGPT, there's not no copy and paste. No, I'm reading it over. Okay, I don't like that. That don't sound like me. Let me change it up. Use it as a guide, not for in all be all. Okay, if you have an idea, go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, this is what I'm trying to create. Okay, read it over carefully. If it doesn't sound like you, if you see it's constantly saying something you don't like it to say, tell it. Don't say this instead, or don't say that, or go through every email and carefully go through it, take out this, add in that. That's what I did through every single one of these emails. That's right, about 37 emails, and I'm going to add to it. When I think of an idea, saying, you know what, I think that's something that people should know. Okay, if they don't know, if they do know, here's a reminder. If they don't know, this is something I can let them know. It's some stuff I see people doing online. I say, yeah, I don't think that's a good idea to do, and I have my reasons why. Like, some people might say, okay, it's okay, but you know, it's not me, right? It's not me. And I just finished the email. My last email here is saying building trust without hype, and it talks about income claims, right? Now, I'm not talking about sharing a sale. If you made a sale here and there, cool, do your thing. I'm talking about specific email claims. Oh, I made $10,000 in 30 days, and you can do it too. And click on the link, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. And they get in there and get the information, and they don't get those same results because they don't have a following. Right? They don't have a big list to email to, where a person can send a $15 deal to make $10 off of it, and then 30 people buy. Hey, I just made $3,000 in this amount of time, because you have a list, you have a following. New people don't do that. Most likely, if you're brand new, it's not going to happen. Let's just gonna keep it real, right? Let's stop the BS online. Okay, it's not going to happen. Can you do it? It's possible over time. Over time, it's possible. Is it true that people do that? 100%. But like I said, they've been in the game. They cultivated their list. They built their list. They build a relationship with the people, right? Through a branded email funnel, through your own branded campaign, or through your own branded what I'm looking for, lead capture page and sales page. I use Power Lead System for all that, right? I promote Exitus Elite, but Power Lead System is the backbone behind all my pages, all my bonus pages, everything. Okay, it helps me promote Exitus Elite. Now, this is a fantastic tool. This Power Lead System is a tool suite to help you do all that. Build your own everything. Okay, that's your presence online. It's my presence online, and I also have my own personal blog. And I don't blog on a regular basis. Like, there's a lot of YouTube stuff I can put on my blog, but it's on YouTube. People can just go to YouTube and check that out. And some of the things that I feel, okay, let me put out there, and I like this video. Let me make sure this video goes on my blog, just in case someone goes on my blog, they can also see that there, because they might miss the YouTube. So I went to ChatGPT and I created an email campaign with Power Lead System, because emails come built in. It's a fully automated tool suite. And I love talking about Power Lead System and use it as a tool, because we pretty much get paid to build a business. We pretty much get paid telling people, hey, you can bring yourself. It has a lot of tools. So getting paid through Power Lead System is just a bonus. The real product is the tools. So if you're looking to brand yourself, if you're looking to create something where you can stand out inside your own business opportunity, because a lot of business opportunities like Exitus Elite, it comes with the lead capture page. It even comes with the built-in autoresponder, pre-written emails, everything. This even has it too. But you want people to join you, so you want people to get to know who you are. So that's why I went through and crafted my own email campaign, because I want people to know specific things that maybe is not shared. Okay, maybe you won't see on a regular basis. Maybe people don't talk about it online. I may not talk about it online, but you're going to hear it here. Click the link in the description. Check out Exitus Elite, and this campaign is attached to that. So just keep it very simple. It doesn't have to be difficult. Okay, a lot of people use these tools. You get an email, it could be somebody could have read their own email and said, oh, I like that. Change some things up and send out there. That's perfectly fine. A lot of this information is regurgitated, okay? But the way you say it, they may not have heard it in that way before. Because there's people going to be able to connect with you that would never be able to connect with me, and vice versa. The market's open, because you may say things in a way that a person will be like, you know what? I never thought about it that way. It makes sense now. I had that happen to me multiple times. I hear somebody over here say something, and I'm like, okay, but then I hear something over here and it hit me harder, because I can resonate with it better. I'll resonate with them better, right? There's a speaker, there's a motivational person. He's in sales. He online, and when he say stuff, it's stuff I heard before, but the way he put it, it hits me harder. So I said, okay, and that's how I can react to it. I can relate to it, because I like people who are straightforward, no BS, get in your face, tell you the truth, call you a loser if you are a loser. I like that. If I'm doing something wrong, Mike, you're screwing up, you're messing up. This is not how you do it. You do it this way. That's what I like. I don't like the soft spoken. No, it's okay. You messing up. You need to do this the right way. Stop doing this and do it this way. Like if I'm in a weight loss and I got a coach, I don't want my coach like, Mike, do you think you need to be? No, I need the coach to say, stop eating that. I almost said a bad word. Stop eating that, because you're getting fat and you need to get in the gym, do some push-ups or something. Tell me straight up. Don't soften. I don't want no soft, right? And the sales trainer, he's hard. I like that. So when he say things, it hits me better. Yeah. And as far as income claims, like I said, if you're brand new, it may not happen. I'm not saying it can happen over time. You can build it. You can absolutely build it. But I don't want to give you the idea of, if you do this, this is definitely going to happen. It takes work. And that's something right there a lot of people don't want to do. The work. It takes work. Like I said, I'm going through, it took me months to create this. But when I get an idea, okay, let me go through ChatGPT. Hey, this is what I'm creating. Creating email, talking about this and that. So I take it out, read over. Okay, instead of saying this, say this. Or I go through and type it in personally myself. Even in the email, don't start with this. Start with this. Don't end with that. End with this. Tell it what you want to do. Remember this about me. Remember that about me. Remember that I moved from Illinois to Georgia. Remember that when I was 19, this happened in my life. Remember when I got married on this day. So when you say create an email about this and add a bit of my story in it, it creates the email, and it still might not be right. Go through and make those small changes, right? If you're using particular words that you don't like to use, I don't like that. I don't like for example, I don't like financial freedom. I like financial security. Because when you think financial freedom, a lot of people may think, oh, financial freedom, that's the money. You ain't got to work. No, I'm not talking about that. Financially secure. Okay. Having the money, making money where you don't have to worry about the money. That don't mean you have to quit your job right away. Everybody hear things differently. So I want to make sure I'm very careful with my words. When I say specific things, because I understand a lot of people may hear different things, I like to use specific words that even if a person hears it differently, they can't take it and say, "Hey, Mike, you said I can become financially free just doing this." No, I say you can be financially secure if you're willing to put in the work and put in the action on a regular basis, even when you don't feel like doing it. Very careful, right? So that's what I'm saying. When you go through your information, make sure you're precise. Make sure you have your specific message in it. Share your specific message. Train ChatGPT to share your message so it'll be your information. It's just a guide. Let it help you. Let it help guide you. But don't copy and paste. Copy, edit, and then share it, right? So just a quick video just gives you some information what I've been working on. In this email campaign, I give away a lot of information, got a lot of value that will actually give you the key points on how to build a business, give you key points on what it takes to build your business. Got some team bonuses. I got some free items I'm giving you just for checking this information out. Go on, enter your email address. Those free bonuses are going to lead to additional information I had access to that I edited and put it on my blog, that you won't find it on my blog unless you go through the specific path that leads to that. There's some information that I'm going to give, but I'm going to give it to the people who truly want it. If you want it, enter your name and email address, or enter your email address. I'll share it with you. Well, Mike, why I got to enter my email address? Because it's about building your list. I'm building my list to build the trust. I will be online every day, all day long, to share all this information that I have. I want to spend time with my family. I'm not trying to create another job. That's why I came online, so I don't have to get another job, right? So I cut a video, put this on the internet. It's going to live on the internet 24/7. I think it's loud. So probably my wife ain't ran out here yet. But let me talk a little louder over that. So, I don't want to get a second job. I want to have more freedom of my time so I can spend more time with my family. Okay. Cut a video, put it on the internet, let it live on the internet 24/7 working. So when I sleep, somebody might be watching my video. I send an email out. Somebody might be up late. Check the email. Oh, let me click it, watch the video. And either way it goes, when you put enough value and content out there where it's just you sharing information, you don't have to script out your videos. Just have a specific subject you want to talk about. And if you have a message, everything's going to come out clear. And pretty much it's the same information over and over and over and over and over again. You just hit it from different standpoints, right? You hit it from different angles. You hit it from so many different angles. It's all the same information. I say nothing different, but all my videos are completely different. So listen, my name is Michael Petty. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Click the link down in the information, enter your email address. Go ahead and see this crafted email campaign that you're going to get the free items that's going to lead to more training. Okay. And you're going to see all that information. Appreciate it. My name is Michael Petty. Talk to you soon.